Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today, as you can see, we have another package here from Madam Glam. Shout out to y'all for sending this to me. So while I'm opening this, what do spring, Mother's Day, and pastel colors have to do with one another? Well, it has to do with the latest collection from Madam Glam, and the collection is called the Pastel Haven Collection. Now there's 8 soak off gels within that collection. I have 3 of them here. Yes, 3. So let's get into the names. Her Strength, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, 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 Her Strength. Who is stronger than a mama? The next one's called Gentle Touch. Yes, a mama has a gentle touch. And the next one is Mama Shine. Yes, and I'm a mama right here, right now, talking to you. So I'm speaking for myself, and of course I'm speaking to all the other mamas out there. We love y'all, and I think every color in this collection is perfect for the mamas out there. I mean, we still have the same formula, which is vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, henna free, and palm oil free. And the colors this time around, as you saw with that particular Mama Shine, which is orange, and Gentle Touch, which is a purple color, these are nice pastel colors. You need to go a couple shades here to get, you know, them just right in your face. And that beautiful Her Strength, I mean, what is a collection for Mother's Day without sparkles? I mean, it's beautiful. So what I'm going to do here, this is going to be fast here. I'm starting off with my nails already done in poly gel, and you know, I think the color of my poly gel goes perfect with the colors we're going to use today. So this is a nice, soft, dainty, flowery, yes, flowery nail set design I'm coming up with right now. So as you can see here, Her Strength goes perfect. I mean, it goes perfect with the color of my poly gel. So I'm just going in with 1 coat of this, 1 coat. I just want to see those sparkles and shine, that glitter in the background. That's nice and soft and very finely milled. Okay, so I'm just going in with just a little bit of it because this is going to be the top portion. Then I'm going to do a little bit of an abstract design the best way I can on the ends of each nail using the colors Mama Shine and Gentle Touch. And then we're going to top it off with some dried flowers. Yes, this will be my first time using dried flowers, so just stay tuned to see how that goes for me. I do top everything, of course, with the no wipe top coat from Madam Glam, and of course my base coat was the no wipe base coat from Madam Glam. So this is Madam Glam completely out. I even use, of course, my balm, which is the Aloe and Cucumber Nourish Me Nail and Cuticle Balm. That's what I use in the end. So in between each layer or each design, every so often I go in and cure these gel polishes for 60 seconds each. 60 seconds each. This was super easy because every layer is thin, and I did 2 layers of the abstract design, just so you know, to make it stand out a little bit more, because these gel polishes are pastel, a little bit thinner. They are still opaque, but just to bring them out a little bit more, I needed to go in with 2 coats. So anyway, you guys relax. Make sure you don't leave my channel before checking down in the description box. Check out my discount code with Madam Glam so you can get 35% off if you use it at checkout, and choose the option pay as you go. So just so you know, that is there for you guys to just, you know, go ahead and shop away, and it lets Madam Glam know that you're coming on over because of me, so that gives me credit. So I appreciate if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. Make sure you check out my discount code and the link down in the description box. Make sure you use that link, because that link automatically lets Madam Glam know that I sent you on over. Okay, so I'm gonna be quiet and I'll see you towards the end.
You're telling all these lies, boy. You said you needed space, but you're out right now, drinking with your friends, having a good time. But when you're feeling lonely, you come back around. You come back around. Oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said. Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at. 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. All these thoughts are just running wild. You treat me so bad, but then you love me right. I can't get this off my mind, oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said. Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at. 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Stay where you're at, I will be moving on without you, baby. Don't bother to come back this time. Stay where you're at, I will be moving on without you, baby. Don't bother to come back this time. Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at. 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help.
Okay, so we're about at the end. As you can see, I'm just sprinkling these tiny dried flowers onto my nail set, and I just thought the colors that I decided to go with complement the colors from the Madam Glam gels I tried out here. I think this is so pretty. It almost reminds me of like a spring dress, you know, with a little bit of flowers on it, you know, these nice soft pastels. Again, shout out to Madam Glam for sending out these gels. I absolutely love the names that were chosen for these gels. It's just so cute and wonderful, and I feel the love. Being a mama myself, I feel the love. So, consider getting your mama, or if you're a mom, go ahead and get your self some of these gel polishes here. Treat yourself, because we deserve it. And if you haven't already subscribed, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this with someone, anyone, just share it. Of course, give this a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love what I came up with this time. I just design as I go. I make it up as I go, but I'm pretty pleased with it. So give me a thumbs up if you like this. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.